Hey ninjas, welcome back. Today, we are going to learn about JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is simply a text format that we use to store data and exchange data. It's a text-based format, and it is used to send data between two computers, between front-end and back-end, or even between different programming. And this is JSON syntax. JSON is always put inside curly braces, and JSON is written as key-value pairs. Keys are always in double quotes, and values can be strings, numbers, booleans, null, arrays, or even other objects. Now let's see a JSON example for storing a person's information. Here, name, age and car is a key, and John, 30, and null are its value. This is just text, but it can now be sent to a server, saved, or later converted to a JavaScript object. This is just showing the format of JSON. But inside JavaScript, JSON is always stored as text. That means we need to put quotes around it, like this. After that, we can use JSON.parse to convert it into JavaScript object. After converting, we can easily access values using dot notation like person.name or person.age. And you can convert back to JavaScript object into JSON text using JSON.stringify. JSON.stringify takes a JavaScript object and converts it into a JSON text string. After converting it, this text can be stored, sent to a server, or shared with other systems. Now, let's see a simple example of adding data to JSON. To add new data, we first convert it to a JavaScript object using JSON.parse, then we can add properties like a normal object. Finally, if we want to send it or store it, we convert it back to JSON text using JSON.stringify. Here in this example, JSON.parse converts the text into an object. Obj.age equals 25 adds a new property. JSON.stringify obj converts it back to text, so it can be stored or sent. Now, let's look at another example using an array inside JSON so you can get more comfortable with it. Here, as always, we first convert the JSON text into a normal JavaScript array using JSON.parse. Once it becomes an array, we can use array methods like push to add a new item. After we're done, we convert it back to JSON text using JSON.stringify. This way, you can perform any operation on JSON data just like you would with normal JavaScript objects or arrays. So, ninjas, that's all about JSON. You can manipulate it freely after converting it with JSON.parse, and then convert it back to text with JSON.stringify whenever you need to store or send it. Now head to JavaScript Ninjas and practice this 5 simple question until you feel comfortable with it. Now see you in the next lesson.